Hi everybody, my name is Miss Moran and today I'm going to be teaching you about two-dimensional shapes. And I also have a friend with me, Larry the Lobster. He's going to be helping us see how many sides and corners this shape has. So, what is a two-dimensional shape or a 2D shape? That is a shape that is completely flat and only has a maximum of 8 corners and 8 sides. So some examples of this would be a piece of paper, a stop sign, or a license plate. So how can you classify a two-dimensional shape? You can tell that a shape is two-dimensional if it only has a maximum of 8 corners and 8 sides. So how can you tell if a shape has a maximum of 8 corners and 8 sides? You count them. So let's look at some two-dimensional shapes. So this is a circle, and a circle doesn't have sides or corners, so that means it's going to be two-dimensional. Some examples of this will be a coin or a circle. Can you guys think of any other two-dimensional shapes that look like circles? Once you think of one, say it out loud. That's right, good job. So, another example of a two-dimensional shape is a square. This square has 4 corners and 4 sides. Now, sometimes corners are called vertices. Larry, do you know what a vertice is? Oh, okay, thanks. I'll tell them. A vertice is when 2 points meet. So a corner. So that's just the fancy name for a corner. So, our third example of a two-dimensional shape is a triangle. A triangle has 3 vertices. What's a vertice again? That's right, a vertice is a corner and 3 sides. Some examples of this would be a piece of pizza or a Dorito. Can you guys think of any other two-dimensional shapes that you see in real life that are triangles? Remember, you can just shout it out. Yeah, those are all great options. You guys are so smart. So, great job, guys. This was a super quick lesson on what two-dimensional shapes are. Can you guys tell me one more time what a two-dimensional shape is? Yeah, that's right. A two-dimensional shape is completely flat. And how many corners and sides can a two-dimensional shape have? What's the maximum number? 8. That's a great job. Okay, now this one would be a little tricky. What is a vertice? That's right, a vertice is a corner, or where 2 points meet and make a corner. So, I want you guys to go meet like a friend or a parent or even your friend Larry the Lobster or a stuffed animal or anybody, and I want you to tell them where you see two-dimensional shapes in real life. We went over a few examples like pizza, Doritos, coins, and clocks, and then I want them to share an example of a two-dimensional shape that they see in real life with you. So we have one more thing to learn today, and that is what our next lesson is going to be on. I can't wait to share my next lesson with you guys because it's going to be really, really fun. We're going to be making two-dimensional shapes out of more two-dimensional shapes. Isn't that crazy? That's going to be so fun. So remember, guys, you need to go find a friend, a family member, a Larry the Lobster, a stuffed animal, or even your pet, and you're going to tell them what a two-dimensional shape is, where you can see it in the world in everyday life, and then I want them to share with you where they see two-dimensional shapes in real life. Great job, guys. Thank you so much. I'm Miss Moran, and I hope you had a great time.